has come a long way over the past few years, and now we've got top-tier models like Seedance 2.5 pumping out visuals so realistic you'll be questioning whether it's AI or not. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through this all-in-one AI platform where you get access to all of these top models in one place. So make sure you don't skip a step because I'm about to show you everything this thing can do. Let's get into it. So this right here is the unlimited AI platform that I was talking about. And from the get-go, you can see that I wasn't joking around. You have access to lots and lots of models. We even have access to top-tier models like Seedance 2.5 and even WAN 3, which is actually the strongest model out there. Any model you can think of, this AI platform has it. Because not only is it an image and video generator, you can as well generate audio with this, and you can even use it for streaming with the live feature, which is just great. In order to test this out, I'm going to first be testing out the image generator by clicking right here. And you can see a wide variety of features to test this out with, like the face swap, the hair swap, and many, many more. We even have the all-new clothing swap that you can test out. For this, I'm going to be clicking on the image generator, and we should be loaded over to this interface. And from the get-go, you can see that it's easy. All you have to do is select the model, type in your prompt, and you get your beautiful, ultra-realistic image, like this. We have the image-to-image model, as well as the text-to-image model. For this, I'm going to be testing out the text-to-image. So for the model, I'm going to be going with Seedream 5 Pro, which is actually Seedream's latest image generative model, and they have a prompt right here for you to test it out with. You can type in a prompt of your choice. For example, I can say image of a man wearing a coat on a sidewalk, just like this. And you can use AI to enhance your prompt, which makes it even better. Before you click on generate, do make sure that you choose the amount of images you want to generate at a time. For this, I'm going to be going with 2, and for the aspect ratio, I'm going to leave it at 1:1. You can as well take up the resolution to 2K, as well as changing up the lighting that you get with it. This gives you a wide variety of features to work with to ensure you get the best quality image. Now, having everything set, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our images are currently being generated. Now do keep in mind that after this, we're going to be testing out Seedance 2.5 on this AI platform, so do make sure to stick around because this AI platform features a lot more than you think. Okay, in no time, our images are done generating, and honestly, this is just great. I mean, just take a look at the sheer quality we get with this. This is honestly just great, and you can download this straight onto your device without any watermark whatsoever. Now, what's great is that you can as well test out some other features with the image we just generated. For example, you can use the face swap feature, you can even use the clothing swap feature, and each and every one of these works just great. Now, let's head back and we can select the text to video right here, and we should be loaded over to this interface. As you can see, it's just like the image generator. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and very easy to use. All you have to do is choose the model, which for this, I'm going to go with the all-new Seedance 2.5. And for the prompt, I can say, woman running on a busy street, late to work, just like this. And you can as well change up the speed ramp. You can take this to slow-mo or you can even speed it up, but I'm just gonna leave it at auto. And what's great is that you have other features to test out with your video generator, which gives you the full freedom and control to generate with. So having this set, I'm going to take the duration to 10 seconds. Now do keep in mind that you can take this all the way up to 30 seconds, which is just amazing. For the resolution, I'm gonna go with 1080p. And I don't know if you noticed, but this AI platform is one of the first that gives us access to 1080p quality with Seedance 2.5, and this is honestly just great. For the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go with 16:9 for that widescreen view. So all that's left to do is for you to click right here on Generate, and once again, our video is currently being generated. And this doesn't take much time at all, because if you give this a couple of seconds, you'll have a beautiful video like this. So let's take a look at what it generated. And honestly, that was just great. No weird morphing, no distortion, and the quality we get with this is honestly mind-blowing. I mean, just look at this. You couldn't even tell this was generated by AI at all. There's absolutely zero weird morphing or anything, and everything is just in place. Lastly, we can test out the character swap feature by clicking right here, and you should be loaded over to this interface. If you look closely, you can see that this AI platform has identified every single character in the video and identified them frame by frame, and you can change each and every one of them to get an even cleaner video. These are the amazing capabilities you get with this AI platform. You also have the results library where you can see every single thing you have generated, all here in one interface for you to use. And if you look over here at the image, you can see that you also have the opportunity to modify this even more. For example, I can turn this into a video by clicking right here on Image to Video, and we should be loaded over to this interface where we have our image uploaded right here. We have a prompt already put in place as well, so do make sure to go with Seedance 2.5 for the model, and for the duration, I'm going to take this to 7 seconds. I can take the resolution all the way up to 1080p as well, which I will do. Now for the aspect ratio, I'll go with 1:1. All you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our video is currently being generated. So just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our image to video for us. Okay. Our video is done generating. Let's take a look at what it generated. And honestly, this was just great. Again, we get high quality videos with this AI platform, and it turned the image into a video with motion, doing a really great job with this. You can download this straight onto your device as well. That brings us to the end of this video. They have many other features that you can test out, and the link will be in my description below, so make sure to check it out.